This is not just a monotonous sea of grass. This is a vibrant, living ecosystem full of amazing creatures that would blow your mind. And when I first came out here, one of the first things that I did was take the time to just go sit in a healthy grassland and listen. Suddenly things begin to reveal themselves. And before I knew it, I was completely in that world. Then you're surrounded, you're enveloped in that amazing soundscape. As a naturalist or a person who cares about nature, that makes me tremendously happy. Imagine now a landscape where you hear nothing. When you go into these landscapes that have been heavily impacted by conversion, plow-up, agriculture, what you find is that the amount of species that should be there are not there. I can tell you that I've been on some ranch land where all of those sounds exist. The heart of my work is really to keep grasslands intact and keep it from falling under the plow. The vast majority of the lands in the Northern Great Plains are privately owned. And these lands are not just set aside as national park land, these are working lands. Ranchers might seem like an unlikely ally, but in fact they're the perfect partner for the work that we're doing. This is an ecosystem that evolved with grazing animals like bison, and today cattle play that role. If we don't support farmers and ranchers who are trying to do the right thing by the land, we're going to have these landscapes that are silent. The thing that really gives me hope is that through these partnerships, I think we can make a big difference in preserving this amazing place.